Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kayla from Pumps and Pouts. Tonight I am actually going to be walking you guys through my nighttime getting ready for bed routine with a few cool products from Bioré. And so these are both made with natural charcoal. And so this one is the deep cleansing charcoal pore strips, and then I also have their charcoal self-heating 1-minute mask. Depending on how much time I have at night, I'll do both or I'll do one of them. And the 1-minute one would be great when you're really trying to get in bed and you're extremely exhausted and you just want to quickly get rid of those blackheads and then get your beauty rest. If you'd love to see how I apply this mask here and get ready for bed, stay tuned. Just finished showering, washed my face, so now I'm going to go ahead and apply this Bioré charcoal self-heating 1-minute mask. Like I said, it's kind of late, so this would be perfect for if you're like trying to hurry and get in bed and you just want to quickly, go ahead and get rid of these blackheads, or if you have 10 minutes to spare, I would recommend trying the pore strip. So either one are a really good pick, especially for getting ready at night. So I'm taking out my little mask here, and they come in these little packets like this. And so I'm gonna go ahead and pull my hair back so I don't get water on it or anything. It says to wipe your face, and then you're gonna apply the mask, leave it on for a minute, and then you rinse it off. Simple as that. Some water on my face. Put my little mask here. I'm just gonna start applying it. Oh wow. So it actually starts heating the minute you start taking it out, or putting it on rather than, I guess. Here's the other one. You can like feel the warmth of it on your fingers, which is pretty interesting. It's not like hot, but you can feel like there's a heating sensation to it. It's just pretty cool. Just gonna apply this all over. Now that I have that off my face, I'm going to go ahead and just follow up with my normal routine of putting on a serum, eye cream, and a moisturizer. And then off to bed I go. So there you have it. 2 great options to unclog your pores before bedtime. Both of these are really great. I've tried these before. I actually love using these. I use these quite often. So like I said, these are great. If you have 10 minutes to spare, you can get whatever done you need to before bed. And then this is great if you are just dying to get in bed. Quick 1 minute, get it done, and unclog pores. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit like. If you loved it, please subscribe to my channel. You guys can catch me on Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and Pinterest at Pumps and Pouts. So until next time, make sure you guys check out pumpsandpouts.com. There's plenty of new content on the blog. My puppies are on there as well, so make sure you go check that out as well. I will also leave the link in the bottom of this post and more details on these products here. So I'll see you guys later. Night.